So the neighbors' goats have been terrorizing us at the farm. We plant something, they come eat all the sprouts. And it's been making our plants grow very slowly. So we've decided to take some action. And by that, we are fencing the whole area. We decided to get some chain link. And this is what is going to be used all around. Thus far, we're putting some sticks of hardwood all around the perimeter. And then we'll come with the chain link to make sure that it sorts out the whole fence. Only with that, we'll have done the neighbor and his kids. We have really done some damage. This was the edge. I'd say that we don't cut all of it, but it seems we might be forced to. Now we put the last planks. Let's see how it goes. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notifications. Thank you. By the end of the day, one side of the fence had chain link on it. At least nothing will be able to come through. My workers will finish up with the rest of the sides in the next few days. I left them going on and I went to do the work for the day, which mostly was pruning. As you can see, our tomatoes have grown very big thanks to the good method of watering. Using drip has really helped these tomatoes to come up. You cannot even tell that they're the same tomatoes which we had a week ago. And because of that, since we want them to have good growth and good fruits to come out of them, right now I'm in the process of pruning. This will involve majorly removing a lot of excess leaves, especially the ones which are falling to the ground so that they don't bring in disease. And once this is done, it will ensure that the plant in itself will be able to divert food to the required sides, and basically that's to the flowers and to the upper sides, and enable the stem to grow. With a huge chunk of land, it's very tedious. And just doing one row, you will note that it will take a lot of time to do the work very well. And to clean up, I got a bucket which I am using and carrying, such that whatever it is that I remove, I am able to place on the side or into the bucket, so that we don't litter and leave what was sick or what was going to cause any diseases still to the farm. What has been pruned is what I'm going to throw to the compost bin, and within a few weeks it will dry up and become brown matter. This brown matter, once mixed with the fresh green matter and other kitchen waste, will make good compost in the future. So these are things which we are considering as we are pruning, so that we don't waste anything that comes out of the farm. With pruning, it will enable a farmer to ensure that they look at each plant, see how each plant is growing, whether it's flowering, whether it's sick. One is able to note exactly what is happening with it. And when you're removing the excess plants, you can come back in a day or two and see how the plant is faring. I note that some of these plants are currently flowering, which makes me very happy, because at least with the anticipated timelines, I know that I will be able to get good tomatoes out of them. Tilka tomatoes are indeterminate. I'm hoping that they continue growing for a long period of time, not exactly within the 3 to 5 months as the majority of these tomatoes are. The Rio Grandes will go with anticipated timelines of 3 to 5 months, continue harvesting that. But as I plant new crop for the new Rio Grandes, I'm hoping that I will continue harvesting the Tilka tomatoes, which will continue selling, so that at least we can have enough cash flows to take care of the next planting and harvest season. Planting tomatoes has been a very good thing for us, and I can state that I have enjoyed planting tomatoes. They are very tasty. We've been using them in our house especially, and also sharing with our neighbors, community, and selling off majority of them, which is basically the main aim. Try and make money out of them. So with this process of pruning today, I'm hoping that we will eliminate any plants which are sick, After all has been said and done, at times it's good to just stop and reflect and see what has been done, see what is an idea becoming a reality. These are the dreams which we work for, and hopefully it will be beneficial beyond myself as a learning curve to even the communities and all my relatives who are around. Let me head home. At least the day for here is done. Kindly subscribe and follow us as we continue with this farming journey. The future of Machoni is bright. So come, let's work together. Be a part of Machoni.